I cooked some simple dishes today from potato.ie, one of them being a Lebanese spiced potato, which is very, very simple, just diced up potato, par cooked, then sauteed off in some rapeseed oil with a little bit of paprika, some garlic in it, and a squeeze of lemon juice. It's fantastic with a little piece of fish, lovely with some hake. I cooked hot wok beef and potato stir fry, which was little fingerlings of potatoes cut, blanched, and sauteed off with some red peppers, some onion, garlic, a little bit of ginger, some chili, finished off with pak choy, scallions, and a little bit of coriander in a teriyaki sauce. And we also added some beef to that, prime fillet of beef.
Hi, I'm Aoife Hearn, registered dietitian and potato ambassador, and I'm at Oak Park launching our potato survival kit for some of students in the area on National Potato Day. Today we really wanted to educate our students and empower them to use potatoes more often and to help them understand how incredibly powerful the healthy potato is.